What's up, beautiful people? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. You know I do. Girl. Welcome back for another video. My girl and guys, what's Papa? Lock in. Y'all, today I'm going to the salon. I've been to the salon before, you know, a couple of times during the situation that's happening right now in the world. And so nothing different from today. I actually scheduled this appointment way before I actually ended up getting my hair trimmed. My homegirl, Zsh Zsh, she was able to squeeze me in. But I already had this appointment, and so because this appointment is also way jazzier, you know, we're getting the steam treatment, deep treatment, all these treatments, I said keep the appointment, Janae. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm going to Studio Lush, okay? It is in Detroit, and we're gonna go from there. But first, your girl gotta eat. Oh yeah, so the old appointment, I had a trim on there, so I'm basically gonna ask her not to do the trim, but do everything else, so still blow dry my hair, because we are protective styling. Let me get back to the light. That's what we're doing. They don't have to do the trim part, but I'm gonna still have her do everything else that I signed up for in my appointment. But first, I would like to have a smoothie bowl. So I made that happen with this. And then I also have the acai packs. And then this is what I made. And it's gonna go in this bowl. This is my granola. And then I get this peanut butter from Fresh Time. Focus on it. Wow. Anyways, this is the peanut butter. It's actually honey roasted peanut butter. I don't know why it's not focusing on there. Anyways, that's what I use on my bowl, and banana. But I need to roll, so we're gonna eat this really fast, so I can't really show you once I do all this, but just know these are the ingredients that I have for mine. Okay, great. I just got my ear pierced right here, and so it is still very sensitive, and so I actually ended up buying some shower caps for my ears. I just want to have a normal life, and this thing is stuck on my purse. I just want to live normal, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just want to be regular. All right, so yeah, I bought a thing that basically some shower caps for your ears. And I'm just gonna wrap that around my ear just so that it's protected while I am getting my hair washed, because like I said, today was all about treatments, steam treatments, and all those things. So little bag for your ears. How about it? I also brought her some just in case she already didn't know about it, and see if she likes it or not, you know. But all right, let me go in here. No, Janae, no. It fell. Wait, I'm sorry. My ear thing. Yeah. I forgot it was even in my ear. Hey, do better.
Which essential oil do you want to use?
What's my option?
There's lavender, lemon, frankincense, and tea tree.
Lemon. And we're back. And this is going into a protective style. I'm probably gonna put those, what was they called? Passion twist back in, the crochet passion twist, and call it a day, okay? I need to put my hair up for a couple months, as I already told y'all. You know, we could have longer hair by now. We've talked about this, you know, this is a real and honest channel. I'm not a hair growth channel. Wish I was, but this hair grow different, okay? We ain't regular. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna just put it flat twist. If y'all wanna know how I flat twist or how different styles and whatnot, check out the video right here, okay? Check out that. Yes sir, yes ma'am. She did a really good job, like the whole experience, y'all. I've never gotten like a steam treatment in a salon. Have I? I've been to the Carol's Daughter salon. That was years ago though. And I can't remember if I got a steam treatment. Was that a thing? I think it was, but I just don't know if they had it. So I'm just gonna say that that was my first experience. Oh, I keep thinking about this earring. Yeah, because I'm not trying to put any product in my hair just yet, I'm actually gonna braid the rest of the hair down, not flat twist. So I'm just gathering, you know, more hair to allow me to make a braid. Oh, what's that? Funny to me. Just gonna tuck those things in. Call it a day. And I'm gonna clean my ears because, yeah, I tried to use those things, and y'all, quick review on that. My ear was like, no. And then with also the mask, So I would say, like, put the thing, if you do want to still buy them, put it on first and then the mask, because no. So the reason I got it is because, you know, my ear piercing is very, very new. So I just didn't want it to do a lot. So we're just gonna clean it. I don't know if y'all want to see me do that. So we're just gonna go out of frame for a second. But yeah, so I would say they work. Technically it worked. It's just with the mask on, it just kept kind of lifting it up, and I'm like, no, that's not what we're supposed to be doing. So I had to just switch it, and so when I put the ear thing on first and then the mask, it worked out. It's almost like it just couldn't hook around my ear at the bottom. You know, some people's ears, you know, had a little extra like dent right here. So if your ear do that, you in the clear. But my ear don't. It just goes right into the rest of my face. So it was like we ain't got nothing to hold on to. That's what happened. So I say still buying, but yeah. And that'll be linked down below if y'all wanna buy your own. Yes. All right, I hope you found this video educating, a little insane. Let your girl know by giving a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Join my beautiful crew. Woo de woo. And as always, I thank you for watching. And I'll talk to you later. Peace. 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 Hey, okay.